How to access the Autism Exercise Specialist CEC course. Start by going to acsm.org. In the top right corner, click Log In and enter your credentials to sign in. Once you're logged in, click on My ACSM in the top menu bar. This will take you to your member dashboard. Scroll down until you see Access Your Information and click My Online Courses. You'll be prompted to log in again. This is normal. Go ahead and sign in one more time. After logging in, you'll land on your My Activity dashboard. From here, select the Autism Exercise Specialist CEC course from the list of available courses. You'll be redirected to the course page. Scroll down and click on the first module to begin. Modules unlock in order, so you'll complete them step by step. On the module page, click Launch Content, and it will open in a new window. The course is self-paced, so feel free to start and stop whenever it fits your schedule. That's it, you're ready to get started. If you have any questions, email ACSM at onlinelearning@acsm.org.